Hello friend, welcome to Puya Yoga. This is Puya and today I want to show you a very simple exercise to fix your posture. We are spending so many hours daily behind the computer, the lower back, upper back, the entire posture is under tension. Let's do a very simple exercise to fix it. Grab a band, piece of towel or something similar. You can grab here behind your chair. If it's not possible, just here behind your back. Gently lean down and bring your arms as far away as your body as you can. Reach your limit over there. If this is your limit, stay there. If this is your limit, stay there. This is giving a very good stretch to your entire spine. You see to my lower back, upper back, behind the shoulders. Hold it there at least for 10 to 20 seconds. Get some relief in your lower back. And gently with inhale, go up, exhale down. You make it a bit more dynamic. In, out. You see my chest is also opening, so I'm doing the opposite. Here the chest is opening. Exhale, the chest is closing and the arms are stretching. Few more, in and out. In, out. In, and relax. Amazing. It takes only a few seconds to relieve some tension from your body and feel better. For my full Office Fit course, check the description below. I see you very soon.